Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today is a better day than the last few. We have had to put down one of our oldest dogs, and I made this little memorial for her, and I'm getting ready to assemble it and show you what I made. So it's just a little plaque. It says in loving memories, Jenny, and the date that we had to put her down. Jenny was about 14 years old, and I'll explain the design here a little bit more. I did this on the Creality FALCON 2 laser, and I think it turned out awesome. Alright, so this was Jenny's collar. I made it about the same width as she had it, so I never adjusted the width or anything. Even though this collar's seen better days, it was hers for a long time. And the design itself, the images kind of just came off the internet, and I just put them in Lightburn and done that. In Loving Memories has a paw print with angels. A little paw with a heart down here, of course her name and the date that we had to put her down. And then the paw prints I added, kind of leading up from the date to the angel wings. Each paw print was how many years she was alive, so 14 years. I'm not exactly sure on the 14 years, but it's real close on the 14. I don't have the exact date of when we got her, but it had to be real close to about 14 years old. So we had her for a long time. She was a good dog, and I thought this would be a nice keepsake. And it just has her dog tag with the address and her collar. The Creality FALCON 2, it's a 22 watt laser. Just recently got it, and this was my first real project, I guess. The first one was just kind of an unboxing, and so it turned out real well. So that's all I got for you this week. Just a quick laser project for me personally, and on the back I just put a couple stiffeners to kind of space it out between the wall, and then I'll hang it from the wall just like that. I think it's perfect. It's not overdone. It's just kind of perfect for my style of furniture and making. I'll put links in the description below for Creality and the products that I used here, and that's all I got. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you next time.